Relax, I'm not your attending here.
Alexander, this feels so unreal. We barely even speak at St. Jude.
Then forget St. Jude. For this week, you are strictly Mrs. Alexander Thorne.
The terrifying Dr. Dracula getting jealous on the street?
I warned you. My possessiveness is way worse than you think.
But why?
Why what?
If you hate me so much for ruining your past, why are you being so gentle? Alexander, did you bring me to Turkey just to play house for our families?
Or what? Or because I'm actually falling for you?
I don't know. You're always so impossible to read.
Then look me in the eyes, Alada. A contract can be faked, but your eyes never lie. Tell me, who is your heart beating for right now? Didn't someone swear last night that they would sleep until noon?
Shut up. They aren't here right now, so you can drop the perfect husband routine.
Who said I'm acting? Alada, I am your legal husband.
How is this possible? Doesn't he hate my guts because of that notebook?
Who gave you permission to snoop through my luggage?
You kept this photo all along? Through med school in the States, becoming a director at St. Jude, you carried it with you every single day?
It proves nothing. It's a piece of trash I forgot to throw away.
Liar! Tormenting me at the hospital, setting strict rules at home, claiming just to punish me. Alexander, you are a complete liar!
Yes, I was hiding the truth. I was building a wall between us, and it's torturing me. I was angry that my world was upended 10 years ago, but I'm angry at myself. Even knowing this was a desperate pact, even knowing you felt trapped, the thought of anyone else looking at you makes me completely lose my mind.
Alexander.
Listen to me, Alora. There will never be an anyone but you. Not then and not now.
Over, interns. If your brains are still left on the beach, I don't mind signing your permanent resignation right now.
The patient has abdominal pain with a low-grade fever. My initial diagnosis is acute gastroenteritis. I recommend...
Your recommendation could kill him. Look closely at his white blood cell count and the tenderness in his lower right quadrant. These are classic early signs of acute appendicitis.
I'm sorry, Professor Thorne. I will rewrite the treatment plan immediately.
Don't let it get to you. Dracula is a psycho to everyone. Drink something warm and take a deep breath.
Thank you, Hamaza. I just feel like no matter how hard I try, in his eyes, I'll always be a failing student.
Then he's blind. To us, you're the best in this batch.
Professor.
It seems your focus is easily distracted lately. This is St. Jude Memorial. We save lives here. We don't host social hours.
Alexander, you're being completely unreasonable.
Unreasonable? Keep testing my patience, Aleda. I'll make sure everyone in this hospital knows exactly who your future belongs to.
Your mind, Alexander, let me go!
I'm out of my mind. How big was your smile when that punk Hamzy touched your shoulder?
He saw I was upset from your yelling and was just comforting me. We were talking about a
You
patient.
need to stand that close to discuss a patient?
Elara, don't forget your place. You are my wife!
Wife? In the hospital, I'm your bottom-least student. At home, I'm a contractual tool to save our family's reputations. What gives you the right to control who I talk to? In Turkey, you clearly...
Turkey was a vacation. Right now, you are nothing but the worst intern under my watch. Good. Since you're so aware of your role, I'll just fulfill my duty as your mentor.
What are you doing?
Starting tonight, intern Alara, you are on the graveyard shift. Your focus belongs entirely to the ER.
This is unfair. I've already completed all my rotations.
If you have so much free time to chat in the hallways during the day, you clearly need more responsibilities. Patients come first.
Night shifts in a row. He really wants to kill me.
Still have the energy to complain? Guess you're not dead yet.
Get out. I don't need your fake sympathy.
Eat it. You haven't had a bite since noon.
I said I'm not eating! You abuse your power to humiliate me by day and play the devoted husband by night?
You think I want this? Do you know how jealous I was seeing you smile so brightly at that punk?
You're jealous?
I was insanely jealous. Alara, you are my wife.
Seeing him touch you, I wanted to snap his arm in half.
But you always push me away. You only care about your rules.
Because you are my only weakness, and I absolutely hate losing control.
Promise me, don't ever smile at anyone else like that. Because I want to be the only one who sees it. Pushing yourself with a 39-degree fever. Are you trying to fry your brain?
The hospital's residency assessment. I can't lose. You actually kept it all this time? Back then, I thought it was just regular study notes. Alexander, I'm sorry.
I've always owed you an apology.
Regular study notes.
That was the manuscript for my top medical school application, which I prepared in secret for 3 years against my family's strong opposition. It was the only medical journal left by my grandfather, containing countless complex surgical plans I simulated overnight. What you just tore up back then wasn't just scrap paper. It was the dream I struggled so hard to piece as a surgeon.
Oh my god, what have I done?
I'm sorry. Alexander, I'm so sorry. I didn't know I destroyed your entire world back then.
It's all in the past, but from today on, you are my entire world.
Get out, Alaya! Are you trying to kill him? You don't deserve to hold a scalpel.
Step aside, Sienna.
Dr. Thorne, she's shaking. She'll ruin this surgery.
Breathe. Look at the wound, not the monitor.
I can't do it. I'm gonna mess this up.
Lara, answer me. Do you want to be the woman hiding behind me crying for the rest of your life, or the comrade fighting by my side?
Needle holder, suture.
Beginner's luck. The final residency estate, you'll be kicked out of St. June forever.
She will not only pass the assessment, she will take first place in the department.
And if she doesn't?
If she doesn't, I, Alexander Thorne, will take off this white coat and leave with her. Only 72 hours left until the final assessment. If you can't memorize these, I'll pack our bags tonight and we'll leave St. Jude together.
Are you crazy? Why would you bet your career on me? I'm gonna ruin you!
Focus! Male 45, sudden tearing chest pain accompanied with asymmetric blood pressure. Your diagnosis?
Acute myocardial infarction. No, it's...
Too slow. The patient is already dead. This is your judgment? You can't even recognize basic biliary pancreatitis.
You're the one who's wrong. The patient has elevated liver enzymes, no bile ductal dilating on the ultrasound. This isn't a typical presentation. You taught me to treat the patient, not just read the textbook.
Remember this, confidence. That is my comrade.
Ready to personally end Alexander's medical career, loser?
Even if you fail, you are my only pride. Go win them over.
The top score of this final residency assessment, Elara Vance. Perfect score.
Impossible! Dr. Thorne, she trembles at basic suturing. How could she get a perfect score? She must have cheated, or you leaked the questions to her in private.
Are you questioning my professional ethics?
Or are you just jealous of her talent?
Everyone knows how much you despised and tortured her before giving her a perfect score and left there some disgusting, shady-tween deal.
A deal? Let me formally introduce her. Alarda is not only the best student I have ever taught, but also my legally protected wife. Mrs. Thorne, are you satisfied with your transcript?
Thank you, Dr. Thorne. Legal wife? Let's see what the hospital board and the media think when they find out your so-called fairy tale romance is just a paper fraud to cover up a family bankruptcy scandal. Get ready to be ruined, Mrs. Thorne.